Question 3. P.S. There are 5 balls with the letter A on them, and there are 5 balls with the letter B on them. What is the probability of selecting 2 balls that include one A and one B, and with no replacement, selecting another 2 balls with the letter B on both of them? Solution: without a replacement. This means the first selection has not been replaced by another identical item before the second selection. We have to find the probability that the first 2 balls selected include one A and one B, and, with no replacement, the second 2 balls selected both have B on them. Note: change in the denominator on the second calculation because the first 2 balls selected are not replaced. Once again, this is an AND question, so we must multiply the probabilities for each selection. Probability the first 2 balls chosen are 1A and 1B. We can choose one each out of the 2 groups of 5 in 5 choose 1 ways, and the total ways to choose 2 balls out of all 5 plus 5 equals 10 balls are 10 choose 2. Therefore, the probability is 5 choose 1 times 5 choose 1 over 10 choose 2 is equal to 5 times 5 over 10 times 9 over 2, which is equal to 5 over 9. Probability the second 2 balls are both B's without replacement. We can choose 2 out of the group of remaining 4 in 4 choose 2 ways, and you're now choosing 2 out of the remaining 8 total balls. Therefore, the probability is 4 choose 2 over 8 choose 2, which is equal to 4 times 3 over 8 times 7, which is equal to 3 over 14. Again, note the change in the denominator on the second calculation because the first 2 balls selected are not replaced. Thus, the probability is 5 over 9 times 3 over 14, which is equal to 5 over 42. E is the correct answer. Answer: E.